Earning full-time income online should not be that difficult. Quitting your job is one of the rewards of having your own online business. Yet over 97% of entrepreneurs fail online. And that's why we are here to tell you about the Abundance Network. Welcome to the Abundance Network, where you will learn how to earn without selling or recruiting. And if you have a product that you are wanting to sell, we've got you covered. The best part about earning without selling or recruiting is that you get paid right to your bank account. No more having your PayPal or Stripe account frozen. Direct deposit is the way to go. Earn by dealing with hundreds of companies you love: Walmart, Red Lobster, Starbucks, and much more. Earn $300 per day with our guidance. At the Abundance Network, you will discover what we have to offer. We look forward to seeing you. We're happy to help.